Hey guys, Skip here. Trying a different place today. We've got Hiller Park going. Nobody here. It's a pretty big place. I'm gonna try out the Seagull today. See how this goes. Haven't flown this in about, well, since I first bought it 3 seasons ago. Well, 2.5 years I've owned this thing. Flew pretty heavy the first season, hardly at all since. But make sure I get my cat set right here. I can put my hood on and not cover the camera up. Sorry for this bouncing around a little bit. And the Velcro grabs my gloves. Alright. Also haven't done much hand launching lately, so let's see. See how this goes here. Having a hard time grabbing this with these fingers here. It's pretty windy. It's about 12 to 15 mile an hour winds today. Yeah, it's windy. Real windy. I'm gonna have to trim it down a little bit. It does a nice acrobatics. I wish it wasn't so windy. Yeah, the wind is really knocking this thing around. And that's with a gyro in it, guys. I'm gonna bring it out here and try the course lock and see if it does what it's supposed to do. Okay, now I've got it in course lock. If I get it in an attitude, it should hold that attitude regardless of the wind. And it's doing a pretty good job, really. Even with the dead stick, it's trying to hold the wings level. It's just stalled there, guys. This is kite flying. All right, take it off of course lock. It's real easy to make a mistake of forgetting you're on course lock, guys. And you do a control and you let go of the controls. You think the plane's going to kind of right itself a little bit, but it don't. And then next thing you know, you're in the last second before crashing, trying to get it back in the right attitude, or fumbling for the safe switch, for the switch to take it off of that course lock. So it's better to just fly it either without the gyro or just with the gyro. It's a nice day, course lock, great for landings. You know, if you get just the right attitude, you want to do a sticks off, hands off the stick landing, then you can do that. Let's see, bring it in here a little bit. I can't hardly see this thing, so imagine you guys are having a hard time with it. It's 30 seconds already. Fast few minutes here, guys. But I can see it's kind of getting a little tired, and it's cold. Let's just get her to glide here a little bit.
Time expired.
Oh, I had to get out for a little while anyway. Haven't flown this thing in a couple of years, so he's a little down trim, but I'm going to play it on the wind here, maybe about half throttle. It still seems to be okay. Spin turn it right into a stall. One minute over. Yeah, we'd better bring it down there, guys. All right, well, it was fun, but my fingers are already freezing off. And this wind is something else, my gosh. All right, now I got it course locked right now. Let's see if it'll just come in here and land. Obviously not. Okay, you're gonna have to fly it in. Literally fly it in, man. Wow. That's about the best we're gonna get today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys later. Hopefully this wind settled down a little bit. It'd be nice. Yeah, this is Hiller Park, guys. I'm going to be coming out here come season. I think they've got like a landing strip, a small walkway about 6 foot wide going way down there. Might be good for some of the bigger planes, at least taking off wise and stuff. Possibly even landing. All right. Have a good day, guys. Have a nice week. Catch you later.